In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select general, and here go to language and region. And by tapping on iPhone language, you can pick the language that you want to have your device in. As you can see, you've got loads of options, and I will pick, for example, Chinese. Tap on change to Chinese, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see now, your device's system language is Chinese, so you can smoothly use it in this language. Then if you would like to change it again, you need to reach language and input. Okay, so now I will have a bit small difficulty to do it, but I will find it just in a second. Okay, so it's not this one, not that one, it's date and time, I guess. Okay, so here you are, and now you can change it again smoothly by selecting the proper language. Tap on apply, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see now, we are back in English. And actually that would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change language in your Apple iPhone. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.